Well, hello and welcome to Gadget Rocket guys. It's Nishant here, and this video today is important. Well, we are going to improve the video quality on this channel. So I have got three different things which are going to help me do that. So today in this video I am going to unbox and I will quickly show you what difference does it makes to have a good lighting when we talk about video. So without further wait, let's do it. The first thing here is the double light socket with light stand. This is going to have a space for two different LEDs. I can fix two light in this, so I'm going to get a lot more light from my next video. And to smoothen that light, here I have a white umbrella, and to hold and assemble all this thing and to make a stand to get a proper arrangement, I have a stand here. Let me first get this big thing out of my table. This is a little bit heavy, not little bit, it is too much heavy. The umbrella is lightweight. So here is the first thing which we are going to unbox. Let's just do it. No mercy. So here it is. Okay, the package is not so heavy, it is lightweight. Wow. We have got on off switch here, so I can work with individual lights. Quality seems pretty good. It's good. You have that different kind of connector here. Okay. And this is what goes inside the. This is the thing by which you can make it stand in that stand. I just open it and then fix it, then close it. So this is the first thing, and I will also share the price for which I bought it. I bought it from the Amazon and it cost me around $8.99, so that is 900 rupees. There is also a bulb holder with this single socket which cost around 499, so I just thought that anyways I need more lights, so I went for this two bulb holder. So let's just keep it aside for a while. And now the next thing is the umbrella. So here is the umbrella. Well, now I cannot do the no mercy thing because it might cut the umbrella. Oh my god, looks like I just got a cardboard. No umbrella. There is umbrella. Looks like a umbrella for monsoon. Quality looks nice, and I bought it for 400 rupees from Amazon. And now it is the time for the heaviest thing. It is so big, I can't even show you guys, but I will make some arrangement after unboxing it. Oh man, it is sturdy. Just look at this thing. It's damn heavy. The quality seems nice, and I bought it from the Amazon for 785 rupees. This is heavy, man. This is lot heavy. What? Oh, just look at this, huh? Oh man, you see that? There is something like a spring inside, so you can push it. When you will leave it, it is going to go boa. Boa. Oh man, this is risky. Let's just go keep it aside for a while. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly assemble all this thing, and in this current condition I'm going to switch to the new lights, so to give you an idea of what difference does it makes. I'm not going to get a lot deep into it, but I will just give you a small glimpse of it. So let's do it. It. We have now connected the bulb, and now I'm going to plug it in and switch it on. Lots of expectations, and here we go. This is the last thing that we need to do. How to do that, to show you right now. So this is how I look like without this umbrella light, and now I'm going to switch it on. Boom. You see that difference? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off all this background light, and I'm going to show you how does it looks like after the proper arrangement. So be ready to get surprised. Boom. So that is the difference what the professional lighting makes. This is just a single umbrella and two bulbs. The bulbs which I am using are not the professional high wattage bulb. These are just 14 volt and another one is of 7 volt. Those are the only bulb which I had compatible right now, so I just made the use of it. And looking at the screen of the DSLR, I don't think so there is any disappointment, but this one is a little bit professional setup with a casual bulb. So this is the difference that it makes. I am pretty much satisfied with my purchase. All in all, it cost me around 2000 rupees, but it worth the price it cost. Well, that is all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Gadget Arcade. If you are in the need of a good lighting or a mic, then please check the description below. All the things which I have talked or showed in this video, the links for which are in the description below. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe to Gadget Arcade. Also follow me on the Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.